Hey everybody, and welcome back to a brand new Makeup Monday with your girl Tracy Lifestyle, and that's me. Alright you guys, so today I'm super excited because INSTYLISH reached out to me and they sent me some wonderful sponges to play with. And pretty much every makeup video that I do, I say that I'm a brush lover. I prefer to use brushes and I just don't fuck with sponges. I literally have a whole bunch of beauty blenders and like other makeup sponges or whatever, and I don't know, I just can't gravitate towards them. But INSTYLISH reached out to me and like, you know, they asked me if I could do like a little review on them, and I was like, yeah, sure, why not? I've had these for a couple weeks now just to, you know, actually use them and to see like if I really liked them, to review them before I tell you guys about it. And honestly, like, I mean, look at my face. Like if you guys follow me on social media, then you guys will see how long and like nice it lasts all day, you know, and it stays this way, like looking like real skin, you know. Granted, yeah, it's like the products that you use or whatever, but the way that you apply them is very essential. No further ado, keep on watching this video and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Here we go. So let's go ahead and get right into this. So this is the packaging, as you guys can see. These are the multifunctional sponges. And like I said, I do own a beauty blender. That shit's dirty as fuck because I only use it like once. Then I have, I don't remember what this was called, but it's like the beauty blender, but with like the little, I don't know. I really just don't use sponges. I had like 2 or 3 more because I tried to use them, but I didn't end up using them. So I gave them away to my friends and stuff that actually would use them. Cause I don't know, I just don't fuck with sponges. But to be honest, ever since I got these, like, you know, it's been a while. I've been like, you know, using them and like seeing how I like it. And like, I really do like it a lot better. Let me go ahead and show y'all the demo. I'm using Clinique Biscuit. It's a little bit darker for my skin tone, especially in the winter time, but it's okay because we're gonna go ahead and put some Morphe concealer. I got this in my little Ipsy bag, and it's full coverage concealer, and I just freaking love it. But the sponges, because you do want to get them a little damp, typically pretty big like this, and then once they are wet and damp, they'll be a little bit more expanded. Ta-da! See? And then from right there, being a little damp, make sure you got all the water rained out, so when you go like that, there's no water dripping. Look how huge that is now. It's like a literal, that's bigger than an egg. That's like a duck egg. We're going to use this one for the foundation. And since I'm the only one using this, I put it directly on my face with the applicator from the tube. Put as much as you like, as desired. Because, you know, I like how there's the little angles like this, sections like that. You just pounce it on your face like so. It makes it super easy to get it into the little creases. You know, with the like regular beauty blenders, like they're just, you know, just the round part and then the pointy part, and like it's not really angled. But this, it's flattened right there, you know, so I can like easily get it in there. And I just love that. Bring it down to your neck. I was checking to see if I stabbed it because I felt like I was stabbing. Around to the other side of this part, because my nose piercing, and those of you that got nose piercings, you know, instead of like taking it out and putting it in or whatever, which for me is like the hardest thing in the world, so I can't do that. So this makes it super easy to get in the nose and the little creases, you know, so it's not just red right there and the rest is all colored. And then we do the top. And then, especially if you do your eyebrows first, this is great too for the little edge. Because then that way, you won't have to worry about messing up your brows, okay? You see how I'm not even touching the brows at all, but I'm getting right into every little section. Well, you look at that. I cover my ears, you know, usually anyways, but if you would like to bring it to your ears, you can. You could do so right now. But first, we're gonna go in with the Morphe concealer. And then I'm gonna apply it directly from the tube again. This is full coverage, so you don't need a whole hell of a lot. I'm gonna use the other side. So this side we use mainly for our face. This small side, I'm gonna use for the concealer. Okay. But I'm liking this little angle thing. That's my favorite part. That's mainly why I like it, because with other sponges, you don't have that luxury. So, cause look, you can get into your creases like that. You see? You see how it just lays down? That's perfect. And voila. Okay, so we're back with the blush and the contour. I just really do my cheeks. I don't do the whole 360, you know? If you do like to, go ahead and do so now. So INSTYLISH, you know, like I said, sent me both of these sponges because that's what I picked. I really love them, both. They both do the same thing, really. And I think maybe I would like this one better just because it has like a little bit more function to it. This one does just the same though, and it's like really nice on the surface, you know, and all that stuff. And what I love is that it looks just like skin. I mean, you can get both. I mean, it's really affordable, but if you want to just get one, I'd go with this one. But if you want to get this one, you know, because the brown color, it's easier to like clean, because I mean, if you guys are lazy like me, I don't like to clean my sponges all the freaking time, which you do need to, but I will still use this just to show you guys, you know. So like I said, I have my blush and bronzer on, and then you see how it naturally glows right there? There's nothing on there, but that's where you should put your highlight. And then this is gonna be from Chote, I don't know, London. But we're going to go ahead and put this all over in here, right? I would just softly pounce on it so that way it's blended back into the skin and not just like on there, you know? And then I do like to put it on my nose now. Ooh, you see that? If the transfer on this thing is great. Okay, but we're gonna buff that out too, because you're sick, but you don't want to look sick. Do you know what I mean? This is from Phase Zero. I'll be right back with some lip. Okay, alrighty, so we're back with the lips, and I just put some lip gloss over. This is Tarte's lip paint in the shade Strike Gold. Yes. And so now we're gonna go in with Pretty Vulgar. It comes with a little thing, but of course we're gonna be using our lovely applicators, the beauty sponges. I'm gonna use this one since we didn't really get to use this one too much. But this one's gonna be great for the powder, actually. So I went ahead and dumped the powder onto the lid like this, okay? And then go like that, right. And then since it's angled like this, and it's like great, so we're gonna go like that, right? So y'all can bake if you'd like. I don't really do that, but you know, if you want to bake, this gives it that nice crisp line that y'all love, okay? Get onto the chin, okay? And like I said, I don't bake, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just take that off. But you see that nice crisp line? And it goes naturally onto the skin because it's nice and damp. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and go on top of the blush slash bronzer just a little bit with the brush, like so, just so I can like make it a little softer, because I don't like it looking too crisp. So I feel like it looks like you're wearing a mask or something, like it looks weird. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that out, like so. Okay. Look how nice and bright we look already. Less sick. Ooh. Okay. Do the sides of our nose a little bit. Because for me, I talk and I smile a lot throughout the day. So the sides right there will tend to crease up. Okay. Where your smile lines are. I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then look. We need the little edge. Okay. Just flip it around. And boom. Okay. A little bit under my nose too. Pop it in again, and we're gonna do the foreheads. Because forehead needs some love too. For me, my forehead gets kind of oily, but more so just right here in between my brows. Not too sure why, but yeah. The rest of it stays kind of dry. Now for under the eyes. I don't like to put it right here because either way it cakes up for me. So I don't like that. And sometimes I, you know, wipe it. So I'm just gonna do the outer half of my under eye. Okay, pretty much like on top of the highlighter. Flip it around, blend it out. You see how that highlight looks so freaking natural? Like, ooh. And there you have it. This is the final look. Okay, I hope you guys love this because honestly, I really do love these INSTYLISH sponges because they're really easy to use. They feel so natural and so pretty on the skin. They look great, as you can see. This was sent by INSTYLISH. You guys can save some money by using my code down below. And yeah, so let me know if you guys do want to use it, and if you guys do try it out, let me know how it works on you and how much you guys love it. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.
I like me better when I'm with you.